Someone's near me.
Yeah, I told you. Oh shit! Coming.
Got him!
You got him? Nice.
With the
You knocked
pistol!
out. Dude, you knocked out Katsudon.
Oh shit.
Does that mean you get the
Is
Don
that you?
Katsu?
Okay.
It's me.
Thank god.
He definitely knows I'm looking. There's two.
What the
fuck? Do they have ARs? Come and get me! Oh! Oh! There's someone here. He shot me from across.
Across the building?
Get me. He's coming in now. He's coming up. Shot another one. Don't want to kill me. Thank you. Yeah. Yep.
Woo!
Nice job. Woo woo woo. Use me as bait.
One guy outside the apartment building.
One to our left also.
Yep.
Can you cover me if I go around?
Yep.
Going across the street. Oh. Nope, he went down.
Got him.
Thank you. Okay, he's dead.
Oh, one guy on the roof. Fuck! Fuck, and one guy shot me from somewhere. I don't know where.
I have an idea.
Oh, there, yeah, he's in between us, right in front of you. Nice.
Yep, I thought so.
Yeah, and one guy on the roof.
Okay, get back in cover.
Yep.
So I don't get shot. Get inside.
Yep.
Come here.
He jumped down.
Oh no. Get in here. Oh shit!
Right.
Oh no! Ah!
I told you, he jumped down.
I know, I was getting ready for him. I aimed slightly too far to the left and I shot the wall. Dang it. That was a good run. Just not this
Oh,
much rifle. Oh, coming. Ah, shit.
360, bitch. Pistol kill. Below you. Same floor.
Oh, shotgun! Oh, damn! Damn!
You were one pixel off there. Like off his
Oh
helmet.
my... Yeah, oh my god.
That was a blast.
That was actually really fun. Let's go again. Let's go again.